Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and this video is a continuation of the part 1 of the National Roller Skating Championship video. I really wish to spread the dedication and the motivation which these young sportsmen have for their sports. I really wish that this video helps to break many myths which are related to the sports and helps the sportsmen to flourish.
Surprise! So here we have none other than Vikram Ingle with us. Vikram sir, you're from which state?
I'm from Maharashtra, Pune.
Okay, you're specifically from Pune, right? Yes. So we have the complete India here, all gathered here, which is making us all feel so proud of all the achievements of these youngsters. So I really wanted to know one thing from you. Why skating? Why skating? Do you think that there was something from within coming?
Yeah, I tried a couple of sports, but the thrill which skating gave, I don't think so that's any other sport which gave me that thrill. So for me, the thrill and excitement was the key to get into this sport.
So, are you satisfied?
Yeah, like I'm not completely satisfied, but I'm happy with my achievements till now, but I'm aiming for something big, so I'm working towards it.
There are so many who look up to you, but yes, as he said, he is not satisfied. That is the key to success. We should never be satisfied with our achievements. We should keep looking, keep aiming higher. Vikram sir, what do you think in specific we need to work on this sports for?
Skating is all about techniques and basics. So once you are in like 9 to 10 years, you need to work a lot on your techniques. So you see there are a lot of people which are not up to the mark on techniques. That's why we are not able to perform at a higher level. But as I'm seeing the youngsters, they are quite good, and I'm sure in couple of years we might get international medals.
I can see you wearing something very big. This Team India. I don't know how many of us must have dreamt of, especially me who doesn't have anything to do with sports. But this thing is so big. You're representing India. So please tell us about your achievements.
So I have 16 to 17 national gold medals in 6 nationals. Then I have 4 Asian medals, which includes 3 relay medals and 1 individual medal. For the biggest achievement was getting an individual medal in seniors. That was the first in India. So that was the first, but I am sure that I won't stop it there. So I want myself to go a little higher, and plus I want to encourage the youngsters that nothing is impossible. You can achieve what you dream for. So please work towards it. For me, it's always one step at a time. So first focus on your goals, which is right next to you. Then we see what comes next. So for me, it's all about one step at a time.
Very, very good advice, which must be, you must be totally drenched into this advice. Do not stretch your feet into too many things. Just one thing at a time. Achieve that, move forward, achieve that, and keep going. Amongst the lovely fields, we have some localites here. Let's have a word with the localites. How is this going to fascinate them, or how interesting it is for them to have a view of this sports, which is a national event? Uncle, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪਿੰਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ?
ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਇਸ ਪਿੰਡ
ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਫਿਰ?
ਇੱਥੇ ਇਹ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਹੈ, ਸਟੇਡੀਅਮ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਬੱਚੇ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਬੱਚੇ
ਦੇਖਣਾ। So he has come to see the children. ਕਿਉਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਤਲਬ ਇੱਥੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਦੇਖਣ ਆਏ ਹੋ? ਇਹ ਦੱਸੋ ਸਾਨੂੰ।
ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਖਾਤਰ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਗਾਹਾਂ ਪਾ ਸਕੀਏ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਹੋਵੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ। ਅੱਛਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। Oh, that's wonderful. He's saying that he wants to capture the knowledge of the sports so that he can also put his children into the sports. ਤੇ ਅੰਕਲ, ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਡੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਮੈਂਟ ਹੋਈ ਆ, ਇਹਦਾ ਪਿੰਡ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਹੋਇਆ? ਇਹ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਹੀ ਜੀ। फायदा तो होना ही, कोई भी अच्छी चीज होगी वो तो फायदा होगा जी।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
जेडे अपनी उन्ना पै जाते बच्चे अपने,
हाँ जी,
गलत कामां विच पै जाते हैं, उन्हां दी बहुत सुबत मिलेगी।
तुसी बहुत अच्छी चीज बोली। He has said that it is very important to channelize the energy of the children in the right direction. And I think instead of doing drugs or anything, it is good to put your children in sports. ਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਇਨਫਰਾਸਟ੍ਰਕਚਰ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਿੰਡ ਦਾ ਡਿਵੈਲਪ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈਗਾ ਆ, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਸੜਕਾਂ ਬਣੀਆਂ ਆ, ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਕੁਝ ਏਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈਗਾ ਅੰਕਲ?
ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਸੜਕਾਂ ਵੀ ਬਣੀਆਂ, ਵੀ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਰੋਡ ਵੀ ਨਿਕਲਨੇ ਆ ਇੱਥੋਂ, ਬੜਾ ਰੋਡ ਵੀ ਨਿਕਲਣਾ ਨਾ ਇੱਥੋਂ।
ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਦੇਖੋ ਇਹ ਵੱਡੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਨੈਕਟ ਹੋ ਗਈ,
ਕਨੈਕਟ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਆਪਣਾ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਨਾਲ, ਮੋਹਾਲੀ ਨਾਲ ਕਨੈਕਟ ਹੋ ਗਈ, ਤੇ ਉਹਦਾ ਆਬਵੀਅਸਲੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਵੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਹੈ ਨਾ? ਫਾਇਦਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਜੀ, ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਕੁਲਦੀਪ ਸਿੰਘ ਅੰਕਲ ਹੋਰ ਕੁਝ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ? ਜੋ ਬੇਰੁਜ਼ਗਾਰੀ ਸੀ, ਜਾਣੀ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਰੁਜ਼ਗਾਰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਣ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ। ਓਕੇ ਹਾਂਜੀ।
A very big thing he is saying that they have started developing the employment. The employment has been generated because of this particular stadium which has been made here. I think these are the things which we can only get after talking to the localites. This thing was not at all into my far dreams that such a thing can employ people also. I have the brilliant Amitesh Mishra with me. Amitesh, first tell us something about yourself, your state and everything.
Yeah, so I'm basically from Chhattisgarh.
Chhattisgarh, he's from Chhattisgarh, okay.
And you don't hear about it a lot because we have very...
See, I have heard about Chhattisgarh, but not too much of the knowledge I'm having. So first of all, tell us about your achievements.
So till now, I would say my greatest achievement would be 10th in Berlin half marathon.
Oh, wonderful! International. Okay.
But representing India, I would say Asian Games was one of the most prestigious places I was there.
Actually speaking, I never wanted him to change his attire. I wanted to shoot him in his India jersey. It's not a small thing. First time when you received your India jersey, what was the thing? What was those feelings which came from within?
It was very special because I was 16 years old.
Oh, great achievement, I must mention.
And seeing all the big skaters like from India, like Vikram Ingle, Nikhilesh Tabane, and everyone, seeing everyone in the same jersey, it made me really proud.
It made me feel
because
proud,
I looked up onto them when I started skating, and then I was at the same team, in the same team with them, so it was
same platform. So did you achieve it easily? It's very important for your younger ones to know about it, that was there a hard work required or was it just by luck?
I would say definitely just with luck you can't win.
You cannot win only with luck. Nothing is achieved only with luck. So what is your advice?
My advice would be to keep grinding every day, keep working hard, and I would say I was a bit lucky because I achieved it in quite small span of time, 2 years of proper training. But I would still say people out there trained 5-6 years, they should not get disheartened by someone who achieved it early. Because everyone takes their own time. But when the time comes, they should make it count.
It was wonderful speaking to you. Let us talk to some local people here. So we have Mr. Harpreet. Harpreet ji, ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ?
ਵਧੀਆ ਮੈਮ।
ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਫਸਲਾਂ ਉਗੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਹੈ, ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਵਾਢੀ ਦੇ ਦਿਨ ਵੀ ਆ ਗਏ ਆ ਹੈ। ਅੱਛਾ ਹਰਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਜੀ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ?
ਆਲੂ ਪਰਾਂਠਾ, ਚਾय, ਲੱਸੀ, ਵਾਟਰ।
ਅੱਛਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਹਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਦਾ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਇੱਥੇ?
ਬੈਸਟ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਰਿਹਾ।
ਬੈਸਟ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਰਿਹਾ?
ਬੰਦੇ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ।
अच्छा ठीक है।
नाइस है, साउथ इंडियन बहुत अच्छे हैं।
बहुत अच्छे हैगे आ ते मतलब तुसी अदरवाइज पिंड ਨੂੰ ਬਿਲੋਂਗ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ?
हाँ जी मैम, मेरा साथ में पिंड का नाम है
ਢੇਲਪੁਰ ਪਿੰਡ ਦੇ ਹੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਹਰਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਜੀ। ਹੋਰ ਅਲੱਗ-ਅਲੱਗ ਸਟੇਟਸ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੋਕ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਆ ਇੱਥੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ?
ਤੇ ਕਦੀ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਕੇ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ।
ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ,
ਅੱਛਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ।
ਹਾਂ, ਤੇ ਕਦੀ ਐਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਾ ਕਿ मतलब ਇਹ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਆ ਗਏ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਲੋਕ ਆ?
ਨਹੀਂ ਐਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ, ਉਨਕੀ ਜੋ ਵੇ ਆਫ ਟਾਕਿੰਗ ਹੈ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ,
ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਹੈ।
ਨੇਚਰ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਹੈ। ਮੇਰੇ ਘਰ ਵੀ ਵਿਜ਼ਿਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਦਾ ਫੂਡ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਸੰਦ ਆਇਆ।
ਬਹੁਤ ਪਸੰਦ ਆਇਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ,
ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ।
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਹਰਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੇਖੋ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਵਧੀਆ ਪਿੰਡ ਦੇ ਲੋਕ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ। ਤੇ ਅੰਕਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸੋ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ मतलब ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਡੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਅੰਕਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ मतलब ਇਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁਝ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ? ਕਿ
ਨਹੀਂ, ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੈ, ਉਪਰਾਲਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਹੈ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਭਵਿੱਖ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬੜਾ ਹੀ ਇੱਕ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ
ਬਹੁਤ ਫਾਇਦਾ
ਰੁਜ਼ਗਾਰ
ਹੋਏਗਾ
ਮਿਲੇਗਾ
ਨਾ
ਜੀ ਰੁਜ਼ਗਾਰ ਮਿਲੇਗਾ
ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ है सर कि
हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है बहुत बढ़िया लगता है हमारे को
बहुत अच्छा लगा
बहुत बढ़िया लगता है बहुत दूर दूर दुनिया आई इधर
बहुत दुनिया आई है ना और
जो फ्री थे उनको काम करने का मौका मिलेगा
हाँ
अच्छा रोड अच्छे हो जाएंगे थोड़े
हाँ हाँ
अच्छी बात है कोई बात
बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी चीज बोली है
और
आपने
हमारे गांव का नाम अच्छी हर एक बंदे को पता चलेगा साउथ इंडिया में पता लगेगा
हाँ।
डिटेल पर गांव है और
हाँ
वहाँ के हमारी बात
नेशनल
करेंगे
की गेम नेशनल लेवल की गेम है इसलिए हमको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है कि हम कुछ कर सकते हैं
हाँ 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 अंकल तुसी नहीं कुछ कहना चाहते हैं तुसी सर तो नाराज हो अंकल दसो कुछ कहो अच्छा जी तुसी हरप्रीत जी दे फादर साहब हो ते दसो अंकल देखो हरप्रीत ने इन्नी अच्छी गल्लां साडे नाल कीतियां तुसी भी थोड़ियां जिहियां गल्लां करो अंकल तुसी खुश हो कि हरप्रीत देखो वधिया काम कर रहा हैगा बहुत है ना ते एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट होई है पिंड दे विच बहुत ज्यादा ते आने वाला फ्यूचर भी ਇਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਬ੍ਰਾਈਟ ਹੈ ਨਾ I have so many handsome boys with me okay so Smarties introduce yourself we can start from you
Hello, my name is Atharva Kulkarni.
Atharv Kulkarni
Hi, my name is Surut Surve.
Surut
My name is Siddhant Kamble.
Siddhant Kamble I have heard so much about you okay so you all play India
Yes.
okay fine they all play India so they are the ones who make us proud they are the pride of India here and what a feeling I get when I see the youth going in the right direction our youngsters instead of putting themselves into the wrong things are here channelizing their energy winning medals for India and making us proud. So let me ask them certain things about their journey till reaching Team India. So we start with you or anybody. Can you tell me something which fascinated you for the game?
From childhood, I was fascinated to speed.
Okay.
So this game is related to speed, and so this helped me a lot in my life for decision makings, then being disciplined, then being alert in every situation.
Yes.
So yeah, this game has helped me a lot.
Oh, that was an exceptional reply. Being an educator myself, I just know what he spoke. So this is a message to all those parents who think that sports is a wastage of time. Education, of course, is important, but what do the sports give us? He has wonderfully justed it. Suru, tell us something about yourself.
So I started skating around 15 years back.
Okay. What is your age right now?
My age is 22.
22. So at almost how many years you started?
So I was around 6 years old.
6 years
when I
of
started
age.
skating.
There needs to be a strict regime. What is your diet? I have heard so much about you. Now I am feeling excited to know. मैंने भी पतले होना है, मुझे भी पता हो what I need to do.
I'm not the person like who can eat anyone and still be skinny.
Okay.
So I need to follow a strict diet. I have my dietitian and she provides me a diet program
Okay.
which I have to follow. Mainly I need carbs, proteins, and I try to eat a lot of greens, which is not so easy, but I still try to eat.
Eating greens is not easy. He is so honest about it, and I think I totally agree with you, and we both fall in the same category. I am so delighted to meet somebody who puts on weight easily. Okay, boys, something which is really personal. Any pressure of studies? What is your what is the reaction of your teachers? What is the reaction of your parents when it comes to studies?
I myself am an engineer.
Okay.
So like managing both things is hard, but when you have passion for the sport, you can achieve it.
So nothing is impossible. So I think he is breaking this myth that the sports people cannot have a good career. He's an engineer, my dear. And my dear youth, I think such children are iconic. So what is your reaction to the reaction coming from your parents or from teachers? Have you ever faced a tough time?
I think everyone coming to this place right now is supported by the parents. So in each and every aspect, I think you can like achieve great heights by playing sports, because sports helps you in concentrating more while you study.
Yes.
So it is a win-win situation in both studies and the game. So it has helped me a lot in my studies as well.
Okay.
Like the game has helped me a lot in my studies.
Okay.
So it is helping me concentrate more, do the work more effectively and in minimum time.
I'm so impressed with. Have you ever thought of writing books? No? Give it a try. I'm telling you, you are going to win there also.
Thank you.
What is your experience? I just want you to quote any example where you felt discouraged by the words maybe is quoted by you. I am a teacher myself. Okay? So I know that at times we are only concerned about the mark sheet of the children. Have you ever faced such a situation?
I don't remember any such situation.
Okay.
But, just like others' parents, even my parents are supportive of me and all. But I don't think my parents expect from me just anything more than passing. So even if I pass the exams, it's fine for me, and I'm blessed that way. But also the teachers in my college, they have helped me a lot.
Okay.
Regarding the assignments and all, so I was lucky that way.
Okay, he's a tall boy. I have to look at him like this. What is your height?
I'm 5'11".
5'11", and you're wearing.
Yeah, I'm standing on stage.
That's why you're even looking taller. Okay, fine. So my pretty advice to all the people listening to my words would be: let the children grow, let them bloom. Do not put your expectations and ambitions on your own children. These beautiful faces are an example of achievements, and they have done and achieved with the help of sports. अब क्या बना रहे हैं आप? हम देख सकते हैं आपका बनाता हुआ? Oh wow! Something South Indian. Wow, that's wonderful, wonderful. All right, what's your name?
Shahin.
Shahi. Am I speaking right? Shahi?
Yes, Shahin.
Shahin. My daughter's name is Shaheen. Okay, Shahin. Lovely speaking to you. Shahin, what is this stall all about? What are you eating here?
Masala dosa.
Masala dosa. And do you find the same taste as you find in your place?
Yeah.
It's same?
Same thing.
Okay. And Shahin, what was your experience coming to Punjab?
Punjab.
Especially
First time.
you have come here for the first time. And like, did you like coming here?
Yeah, actually I liked it.
You liked it. What is the special thing what is the most important thing which you liked here?
The climate, I liked it.
You like the climate because I think it's very hot over there in your state.
Yeah, Kerala.
You belong to Kerala.
Kerala.
Oh, it is so wonderful. Where would have I met you if this tournament would not have been there, right?
Yes.
So these tournaments really bring us together. So sir, you're enjoying your masala dosa?
Masala dosa.
It's good? Vada. You will be eating vada now. It is having the same taste? Same taste. So you are loving it. Okay. Nice speaking to you, sir. Enjoy it. Thank you. Thank you, Shahid. So we have some more wonderful boys with us. Okay, boys. Apna naam daso. Harman. Satveer. Gurveer. Gurchand. Right? तो मैं इत्थे कुछ देख रही हैं तुसी रखिया होया है आलू का पराठा मेरा फेवरेट है चाय है egg भी है of course because sports करन तो बाद the people need to have something refreshing and good what better than an egg सतवीर तुसी मतलब ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮੂਰੇ ਇੰਨੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪੂਰੇ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਕੋਈ ਫੀਲਿੰਗਸ ਆ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਮਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਕੀ ਸੋਚ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ
ਮਤਲਬ ਜੀ ਪਿੰਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰਾਊਡ ਫੀਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਡਬਲ ਵੈਸੇ ਤਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਜੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਘੱਟ
ਹਾਂ
ਆਪਣੀ ਸਮੱਸਿਆ ਦੀ ਹੁਣ ਜੀ ਮਤਲਬ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਅਲੱਗ ਜਿਹਾ ਫੀਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ
ਅਲੱਗ ਫੀਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
ਪਹਿਲੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਤਲਬ ਇੰਨਾ ਰਸ਼ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ
ਕਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਸਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਫਾਦਰ ਹੋ? ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸਰ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਦੱਸ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿ ਦੇਖੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮੋਰੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਉਸੇ ਉਮਰ ਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਜਿਸ ਉਮਰ ਦੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਸਕੇਟਿੰਗ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ, ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਫੀਲਿੰਗਸ ਆ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ?
ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਆ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਵੀ ਨਾ ਤੋਂ ਕੁਝ ਮਤਲਬ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਲੈਣ, ਵਧੀਆ ਬਣਨ,
ਦੇ ਗੈਟ ਇਨਸਪਾਇਰਡ। ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੇ ਵੀ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਮਤਲਬ ਤਰੱਕੀਆਂ ਕਰੀਆਂ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ, ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ
ਕਿ ਮੋਟੀਵੇਸ਼ਨ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਕਰਨ,
ਦੂਜੇ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਸੈੱਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ,
ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਫੀਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ,
ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਅੱਛਾ ਲੱਗਾ। Talking to all the localites right now, give me an insight into the whole thing, that how a national event, or be it any event, it has generated the employment for the youth here. It has created awareness for the youth. The people of the village who were indulging in just any menial activities now have that motivation in front of them where to go. The youth is inspired. The parents are inspired to put the children into the right league. And it's all thanks to the Roller Skating Federation, to the United Roller Skating Club, that they have taken this opportunity into their hands to organize the nationals. I really look forward to such more events here in Punjab, so that our youth may get more awareness and we may progress. This event is an example as to how we Indians are all alike. It is only our language, it is only our color which makes us different from each other. Rest, our mindsets, our care for our children remains the same. And I really look forward to such more events and such more opportunities of meeting my fellow Indians here at Mohali. I really hope so that you must have enjoyed this video, and it must have brought a lot of awareness about the different aspects, be it sports, be it studies, be it the attitude of the sports person, be it all the pros and cons which our sports is facing in this country, that is our beloved country called India. I really wish that the message can be generated through our minds, through our mouths, and it may reach the right minds, and we can do something about the loopholes which are still existing. And my all the heartiest wishes to the lovely sports people out here. May you rise and shine. Youth, you are here to rock, and kindly do so through your energy channelizing in the right direction. If you agree with what all I have covered in this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And in case you have yet not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And don't forget to press that bell button icon for the notifications of my new videos. See you next time, guys.